Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create animated videos for free using Canva. So first, you can just open the canva.com, and then here at the top, you can select this video format options and then choose the video size that you want to. There are video in landscape, mobile video, Facebook, Instagram reel, TikTok video, or YouTube video. For example, I'm going to create one for a TikTok video, so you can just tap on the format in here. So a new canvas will be open in a video format, TikTok video format. And next, in here, you can use AI if you want to create or generate video instantly, or you can also use one from the Canva template. For example, I'm going to create this. Okay, let's try this one, shopping haul video. You can just tap on a plus icon and it will be added. This is the template. Now you can just you can just add the video of your own. You can see it is animated because you can add tags, animations to the tags. You can click on the tags and change the animations in here. I'm going to go with fade like this, and you can replace the video by clicking on the video and delete it. You can now just upload a video of your own. For example, you can go to upload and find a video, click on upload files. So I'm going to just add a random video. Let's say this one is a shopping haul video. You can just make it as background, and that's it. You can just share it or save it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.